All right, so trig revision, the basic thing you need to remember is SOHCAHTOA, okay, where sine theta equals O over H, cos theta equals A over H, and tan theta equals O over A. Okay, so SOHCAHTOA is what you need to remember. So to give you a reminder, this is for right angle triangles only. Okay, where this is always H, so opposite, the right angle is always H for hypotenuse. The angle you are chasing determines what the other sides are called. So if this is the angle we're chasing in red here, this is the opposite angle, it is the opposite side of the shape. This one here is adjacent because it is next to the angle we are chasing. Alright, if we are looking at this angle here, this one is the opposite, this one is adjacent. That's as simple as it gets. Alright, so there are a couple of ways that they will ask you to work with this, and that is either finding the angle or finding the side. Okay, so if we're trying to find a side, if we have a look at question 1a, we've got 10, 18 degrees and x. Okay, so we are looking at O and H, which we know means sine, so sine of theta equals O over H. Sine 18 equals x over 10, and then we get that over the other side, so 10 sine 18 equals x, and then you just calculate that. Alright, make sure your calculator is in degrees for this. Alright, really important. Make sure your calculator is in degrees, not radians. If you have it in radians, you'll get the wrong answer. So that's finding a side. They do ask you in question 3 to find an angle. So if we have a look at question 3a, you've got angle A there, 8 and 2.5. So again, we've got the opposite and the hypotenuse, which means we're using sine. So sine theta equals O over H. Sine A equals 2.5 over 8. So A equals sine to the minus 1 of 2.5 over 8. Alright, and you can use the calculator to finalise that one as well. Any questions about your basic trigonometry?